Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be covering a snowstorm that's going to be moving across the upper Midwest and Great Lakes Friday, December the 10th. So taking a look at 1 a.m. Friday morning, you can see some snow beginning to move in from the west across South Dakota and northern Nebraska. And as I progress it into 4 a.m. Friday morning, snow begins to creep into northwestern Iowa and southwestern Minnesota. And by 7 a.m., snow is beginning to cover all of southern Minnesota and northwestern Nebraska or Iowa and moving to Wisconsin. And by 11 a.m., the snow is going to be covering northern Iowa, southern and central Minnesota, and moving into Wisconsin. And it's looking like it's going to be light to moderate snow at this point. And then as we head into about, I believe this is 1 p.m. Yeah, 1 p.m. Snow is going to continue to move across south central Minnesota, northern Iowa, most of Wisconsin, and the snow is going to start to become heavier across northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, and western Wisconsin. By 3 o'clock, the snow continues to intensify across the area, and if you'll notice, watch this low pressure system is going to, as the isobars get tighter, it's going to signify this low pressure is going to be strengthening, and as the low pressure strengthens, the snow is going to get heavier. Here at 7 o'clock p.m., we're looking at some heavy snow now across Minneapolis, St. Paul, and then much of northwestern central Iowa near Des Moines. About 90% of Wisconsin, including Green Bay. And then as I progress into 10 p.m., snow begins to move into the upper peninsula, Michigan, and northern lower peninsula. Still heavy snow across Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, northern Iowa, and possibly some isolated pockets of sleet mixed in. And then as we head into 1 a.m. Saturday, still snowing across most of Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota. And then the storm system begins to pull out of the area as it moves across northwestern Michigan by 4 a.m. Saturday. Still snowing across most of Wisconsin at this point. And then finally, the storm system moves out of the area with some wraparound snow, light to moderate snow across Michigan by 1 p.m. Saturday. And it looks like all snow is going to be out of the upper Midwest by 7 p.m. Saturday evening, December 12th. So I'm going to be showing you some potential snowfall totals with this system. See how much snow y'all might be getting. So looking at the GFS potential snowfall, looking at anywhere between dusting to 2 inches of snow in your light gray areas, looking about 2 to 6 inches of snow in the blues, and then the purples, you're looking at anywhere between 6 inches to a foot of snow. And looks like areas like Minneapolis, St. Paul could get around 5 to 7 inches. And then Green Bay, 5 to 7 inches. Northern areas of Iowa, 6 to 8 inches. The rest of southeastern Minnesota, 6 to 10 inches. And then it's looking like the bullseye of snow is going to be across the central portion of Wisconsin with 10 to even 13 inches of snow possible. And then finally up into Upper Peninsula, Michigan, 3 to all the way up to 10 inches of snow possible. And then far northern Michigan, 2 to 8 inches of snow. So this is going to be a pretty decent snow event across the area. So hope you enjoy the snow event. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, leave a like. Have a wonderful afternoon.